Well, hey everyone, welcome to the behind the scenes at the Balloon Workshop. Thanks for joining me. So I just posted that the little quote from Jim Henson, and I was going to show you just kind of a brief video on how I made the top of the head for Kermit. Something like that. So it's balloon 1, balloon 2, 260 around. Well, we call it 260. That's, again, balloon terminology, sorry. But it's a balloon animal balloon in the middle there. This looks more like a chameleon, right? I'm gonna have to remember that. That's a great idea. I don't want it completely like that. I want just a little bit of a dip. Kind of something a little bit more like that. So it looks like it's the top of Kermit's head here. All right, so now we're gonna work with his eyes. Kermit has these specific eyes that kind of jut out of his head. It's kind of like a half eye. So how I do that is I take a little dish, and then I take a balloon, and then I take the dish, and I put the dish in the balloon, and then I'm gonna inflate the 11-inch, so that way I can kind of move that dish around inside. And I think that will work for Kermit's eyes. I don't know. It's looking pretty much like Kermit. I'm at the photo booth here. Start taking some photos. I'm gonna take photos of these, of each of the eyes individually, and then go ahead and layer them onto his head so that way it looks correct, and like the little Kermit will be made out of balloons. All right. Thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one.